According to the 2020 GDP statistics collated and published by Worldometer, Nigeria currently fluctuates between the ranks 27 to 30 on the list of top world economies. A brief overview of this list highlights countries like USA, China, and India as the topmost economies. I am Okero David from Beth Freeman Senior High School, and I'll be speaking on the motion Nigeria has the resources, the ability, and the people to turn into an economic superpower. According to Wikipedia, a resource is a source of supply that produces benefits and that also has some utilities. Still from the same source, a superpower is a state with a dominant position characterized by its extensive ability to exert influences or project powers in a global scale. How then can we possibly explore Nigeria's resources to make her become an economic superpower? Firstly, the backbone of any world-leading countries we see today is foreign trade, and that's international trade. So much of a country's GDP depends on its exporting abilities. The ability to satisfy the world's needs helps a country to boost its GDP. GDP, gross domestic product, is an estimate of the total value of finished goods and services produced in a country's border during a specified period, usually a year. GDP is popularly used to estimate the size of a country's economy. USA has the largest economy in the world, as measured by nominal GDP, with a GDP in current US dollars of $21.43 trillion. China has the second, with a GDP in current US dollars also of $14.34 trillion, while Japan has the third largest economy in the world, with also $5.0 trillion. Nigeria is the 25th on the list of top world economies, with a GDP in current US dollars of $448.12 billion and a purchasing power parity that adjusted the GDP in current international dollars of $1.08 trillion. How Nigeria can become an economic superpower if we utilize our foreign trade, exports more than importation of goods. If Nigeria can start the selfless containment process where we produce what we need and consume, by so doing, money will be entering the country, and hence the country's growth, the country's economic growth will be strengthened. Secondly, increase of the number of manufacturing industries. Taking reference from China, who rose from being ranked the 13th to the 2nd in the world's economy due to their focus on domestic production, trade, and exportation. The opening up of China to foreign trade, investment, and implementing of the free market reform in 1979 made China a superpower. China has been among the fastest growing economy in the world, with a real annual GDP growth averaging 9.5% through 2018, a pace described by the World Bank as the fastest sustainable expansion of a major economy in history. Such a growth has enabled China on its average and also increased its GDP. Double the GDP every 8 years, and also it's helped China raise an estimate of 800 million people out of poverty. If Nigeria can give higher focus to domestic production, that is enacting industrial policies that encourages domestic production as China did, which made it the #1 exporter in the world, then Nigeria has a superpowered economy. Thirdly, the utilization of our human population as a workforce and a skilled labor. Germany ranked 4th on the world economy, and its biggest advantage is the presence of highly skilled labor, with just about 83 million people. Nigeria has over 200 million people, and getting a higher percentage of these people working would increase our economy. Statista.com recorded in 2019 that 43.69% population were aged 0 to 14 years, while 53.75% were aged 15 to 64 years. Wikipedia also has that Nigeria has one of the largest population of youths in the world, with comprising of about 33 million members. Now you can see that it is very obvious that we have the manpower and the ability to turn into an economic superpower. Lastly, mineral extraction and exploitation. Nigeria is enriched with over 40 mineral resources, among which are the marble, tin, coal, clay, and even crude oil. Meanwhile, Japan has a poor Japan is poor in mineral resources and depends on energy imports. If Nigeria can give more focus to the extraction and diversification of mineral resources with the exportation of these minerals, it will definitely fetch us more revenue, increase our GDP, and also hence make us a superpowered economy. I strongly believe that Nigeria has what it takes, even more than what it takes, to become an economic superpower. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I'm Afolabi Tosin. Adding to what the first speaker said, with good leadership, Nigeria can become an economic superpower. Nigeria is ranked 25th in the world economy and the 7th most populous country in the world. France, who is number 7 on GDP list, has a population of over 65 million people. The question is, how are they able to wield so much economic power? I believe it's leadership. But wait a minute, before my opponents say the leadership is a minus, it is not. Ngozi Iweala, who is the first woman and the first African to become Director General of the World Trade Organization, is the Nigerian. Dr. Philip Emeagwali is the 31st greatest African scientist of all time, and the several other great leaders all over the world. If these great minds can come together in the leadership of Nigeria becoming a superpower will be much faster for Nigeria. Nigeria has immense irrigable land for farming and has one of the biggest agricultural resources in the world, but lacks mechanization to improve the rate of production. Brazil, one of the top economies, gets larger part of the GDP from exporting just coffee. Meanwhile, Nigeria is well over 29 crops such as rice, sesame, cashew nuts, palm kernel, shea butter, etc. We can increase our GDP exponentially through mechanized farming. Enhancing and utilizing tourism. USA is the highest earner in tourism with over $210 billion yearly, and this is just 1.1% of the country's GDP. Nigeria has several beautiful sceneries such as the Olumorok in Abeokuta, the Lekki Conservation Center in Lagos, the Yankari Game Museum in Bauchi, and several others. Tourism can boost the economy, create thousands of jobs, develop infrastructure, establish a sense of cultural esteem between foreigners and citizens. Therefore, focusing on becoming a major tourism center can boost our GDP.
With all these important points that we've highlighted, we strongly believe that we've been able to convince you that Nigeria has the resources, ability, and people to turn into an economic superpower. Thank you.